Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2014 Porsche Panamera. This thing is one owner in excellent condition. Do a quick walk around video here. See the exterior's in great shape. $84,000 miles on it, just serviced. Drives excellent. Overall, this thing is super clean. 3.6 liter rear-wheel drive, 22-inch rims on it. You can see those rims, beautiful rims. They're powder coated to match the car, it looks like. See the interiors of beautiful wood grain, sunroof. I think it's like brand new, like these rear seats have never even been sat in. Loaded up, adaptive suspension. This here we will be fixing, this trim piece. We have it ordered, it got messed up in the detail. As you can see here, heated seats, air conditioned seats, leveling suspension, wireless start, backup, nav, parking sensors, 322 miles on it. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056, or you can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know anybody might be interested in this Panamera. And we do also service all Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche vehicles. Thanks for checking out this video.